Hello, the meteorological water was the city of Madrid will experience in the following week will be sent as follows. Day 1 will be sun with a lot of heat and with a temperature of 17 and maximum 32 degrees. On day 2 we will have sun with some clouds over the sky with a temperature of minimum 15 and maximum 38 degrees. Our third day is with main clouds over the sky of city, and its maximum temperature will be 26 degrees. The fourth day will be a very cold day, with some rains over the city and its maximum temperature is 19 degrees. And, and on our fifth day, we will have severe winds with storms and its maximum temperature will be 10 degrees. Students are recommended to go out warm and with an umbrella. Thank you.